we are going to discuss about one of the important topic of CSR net syllabus, that is turnover calculation of enzyme turnover number, specific activity, catalytic cycle, and turnover frequency. So first is, what is turnover number? What do you mean by turnover number? Turnover number is the number of moles of substrate transformed per minute per mole of enzymes under optimum condition. Unit of turnover number is minute inverse and second inverse, right? So specific activity is the specific activity. So specific activity of an enzyme defined as the amount of substrate. What's amount of substrate in moles that 1 milligram of enzyme can convert into a product in a given time. That's very important term is moles, and these are per 1 milligram of enzyme. These are important term. Another here is that in case of turnover number, all have to convert it into moles. And now unit of specific activity. Unit of specific activity is mole or micromole per milligram, micromoles or moles per milligram of enzymes, minute or second. Now coming to turnover frequency. What is turnover frequency? Turnover frequency is number of molecule reacted by upon number of sites into time. Number of molecules reacted by number of sites into time. Time required of or one catalytic time required for one catalytic cycle equal to reciprocal of the turnover number. Reciprocal of the turnover number is one catalytic cycle. So 1 by turnover number is the reciprocal, 1 by turnover number is the one catalytic cycle. Now we'll go to the calculation. So calculation, how will calculate the turnover frequency? Now see that a question, a solution of 1% weight by volume starch at pH 6.7 is digested by 15 microgram of beta amylase enzyme, that is molecular weight given 1,52,000. The rate of maltose, molecular weight is 34 342, had a maximal initial velocity is 8.5 milligram form per minute. What will be the turnover number and how long is one catalytic cycle? Now see that question. So here question is that we all know that the enzyme, we all know enzyme combines with substrate form ES complex, enzyme substrate complex. Then enzyme substrate complex break down into enzyme plus product, right? Now in here here given 15 microgram of beta amylase enzyme. So here a Vmax, is 8.5 milligram. So Vmax is 8.5 milligram. Vmax is given 8.5 milligram. For that turnover number problem, you must have to convert it into moles, right? Vmax also you have to convert it into moles, and enzyme concentration also you have to convert it into moles. Now first say Vmax is 8.5 milligram per minute form per minute. Second one, beta amylase is the enzyme here given. Maltose is the product. So enzyme is beta amylase, maltose product, starch is the substrate. Now you have to Vmax has to be converted into moles. Now how will convert into moles? Vmax equal to gram liter by molecular weight. You divided the by the molecular weight. See here molecular weight of maltose, that is product, molecular weight of maltose is given 342. So now we have converted milligram into gram here into 10 to the power minus 3, 8.5 into 10 to the power minus 3 by 342. So it will come that much amount. Now second is you have to convert it enzyme concentration into moles. So for that, enzymes molecular weight also given for enzymes. So enzyme concentration ET in moles is here. Enzyme is 15 microgram. See that 15 microgram of beta amylase enzyme, 15 microgram. So 15 microgram you have to convert it into gram. So 15 into 10 to the power minus 6 gram by molecular weight is given 1,52,000. So by 1,52,000. So we know that we know Vmax equal to Kcat into Et. Kcat is the turnover number. So Kcat into Et is the total enzyme concentration. Vmax is the maximum velocity. So Kcat equal to, you have to calculate Kcat or turnover number. Kcat equal to Vmax by Et. So put that Vmax 2.5 into 10 to the power minus 5 into, now here is that Vmax Vmax by Et. If we put Et here, so Et Vmax by Et, then this expression will come and it will give you 2.5 into 10 to the power 2.5 into 10 to the power 3. 2.5 into 10 to the power 3. 2.5 into 10 to the power 3. Now here is your, we are calculating a minute, so minute in per minute. 2.5 into 10 to the power 3 per minute. This for Kcat or turnover number. Kcat or turnover number. Turnover number equal to Kcat equal to Vmax by Et. So put that. Now this expression, if you consider, it will come 2.5 into 10 to the power minus 5 into on 10 to the power 3, because if you now 15 into 10 to the power minus 6. So here you have minus 5, 10 to the power minus 5, 5 into 152, 2.5 into 152 into 10 to the power 10 to the power plus 9 into 10 to the power minus 5, 10 to the power minus 5 by 15. So it will come almost 2.25.33 something into 10 to the power 4. So we can write it as a 2.5 into 10 to the power 5. So answer will be 2.5 into 10 to the power 5, 2.5 into 10 to the power 5 per minute, right? So now next point is how much will be one catalytic cycle. So one catalytic cycle equal to, we know that one catalytic cycle, time required for one catalytic cycle is the 1 by turnover number. So 1 by turnover number is 2.5 into 10 to the power 5 is the turnover number. So 0.4 into 10 to the power 5. So 4 into 10 to the power 4 will be the answer. So an enzyme. So specific activity. So see the turnover number and specific activity of an enzyme. So specific activity we have seen, you have to convert into moles per milligram. Now here is that, see that turnover number and specific activity of an enzyme, molecular weight is given. The Vmax is 4 micromole of substrate reacted per minute. Now amount of enzyme is 2 microgram. So you have to convert enzyme into 2 microgram into First of all, you have to convert in terms of microgram to milligram. Microgram to milligram for specific activity. I am coming to that part for specific activity. To convert Vmax in moles, Vmax in moles, as here question paper is and here option is given in micromoles, so we are just keeping it in micromoles. So it will be 4 micromoles already is given. So 4 micromoles are put here, and the amount of enzyme 2 microgram we can convert into milligram. Microgram to milligram is 10 to the power minus 3. So we can consider 4 by here, 4 by 2 into 10 to the power minus 3. So 10 to the power minus 3, so 2 is 2, so it will be your 2 into 2 into 10 to the power 3, 2 into 10 to the power 3 per micromole substrate per milligram per minute, right? For specific activity, because specific activity Vmax should be in moles, and your substrate enzyme concentration will be in milligram, 1 milligram of enzyme. That's the specific activity. Specific activity always in 1 milligram of enzymes, and in moles Vmax should be in moles. Here as micromoles is given, so we are considering micromoles, but always calculate Vmax in moles and milligram of per milligram of enzyme. So 1 milligram of enzyme, so you have convert amount of enzyme 2 microgram into milligram, right? Now coming to that, here also the calculate the turnover number or kcat. We know the kcat equal to Vmax by Et. So Vmax equal to given 4 micromole. Now Et is the enzyme concentration, so enzyme is 2 microgram, 2 into 10 to the power minus 6 gram into 10 to the power, it's here molecular weight given 40,000, so 40,000 we can write into 4 into 10 to the power 4, so it will come half into 10 to the power minus 10 to the power minus 10 moles, or you can write it as a, so these are Et values. So now you have to convert to Vmax. So turnover number ton equal to Vmax by Et. Vmax is your 4 into 4 into 10 to the power, you can consider 4 into 10 to the power micromole to mole, you have to count 10 to the power minus 6, 4 into 10 to the power minus 6 Vmax by Et. It is the half of into 10 to the power 10 to the power minus 10, 10 to the power minus 10. So it will come 10 to the power minus 10, so it will come about 4 into 4 means 8 into 8 into 10 to the power minus 10 to the power 10, 10 to the power 10 into 10 to the power minus 6, 6 equal to, it will come 4 8 into 10 to the power 4, 8 into 10 to the power 4 equal to 80,000, 80,000, 80,000 per minute. 8 into 10 to the power 4, so 80,000 per minute. So this will, in that way we can calculate the turnover number and specific activity.